Okay, yeah. Okay, my name is Neri Zapata, and I am the representative, the leader of the CSIC group in the project. Okay, CSIC is the Spanish National Research Council, is the largest public institution in research in Spain, and the third in Europe. Around 6% of the professional world working in research and development in Spain work in CSIC, and they generate around 20% of the national scientific production. But CSIC is a big institution that is divided in 128 small institutes and dedicated to all subjects of research, and 12 of them are dedicated to agricultural science. And one of them is the experimental station of Aula Dei, is dedicated to agricultural science and is our institute. This institute is located in Zaragoza, and it takes part of a campus. Here we can see where it's located, Zaragoza in Spain. Here is Barcelona and here Madrid, and it's in the middle way between the two main cities. And we are located in the middle of the Ebro River Basin, that is one of the most important basins in Spain devoted to agriculture. Okay, in Zaragoza we are here, okay, and we are part of a big campus. It's the campus of Aula Dei, that is a campus devoted to research, in which we can find different research center like CIAM Zaragoza. This is an international center that is in the campus. We have two institutes from CSIC. One is the Estación Experimental Aula Dei, is the agricultural, and another one that is the Pyrenean Ecology Institute, that is devoted to environmental science. And we have also some center from the regional government that also dedicate to agricultural research, like the Agri-Food and Technological Research Center, CITA. Okay, and here we can see a picture, well, of the building of Aula Dei, experimental station of Aula Dei. Okay, our previous experience. I have put here some European projects and national projects in which we have been engaged or we are currently working on. Our team work mainly on research. We are devoted, most of the time are devoted to research. We also perform some teaching. Around 10% of our time is teaching on postgraduate and master and doctorate courses. But we always work in national, regional projects and some European. As I told you, here I have put some example. For example, Quali Water, that was the first. It was a project of the INCOMET program that was liderated by our group, and we participate with other Mediterranean countries in subjects related with the control of salinity and nitrate pollution. We have also some project that some of the partners of this proposal has also participated. Lolagua, that was a Tempus program project, and Suareza, that was unfortunately cancelled by the war problem. And another that is Coroado, that was a collaboration between European countries and Latin American countries. The subject was related with water recycling and reuse in Latin America. Okay, as I told you, normally we have always some national project going on, like this one, that the first one was liderated by me, and the second was liderated by Farida and Daniel, that are part of the team. Okay. The roles and responsibilities. I have taken these from the proposal. The first one was that we are the scientific coordinator of the water, energy, food optimization objective. That is important. But going to the responsibility, we are the leader of the task 1.3 that relates with the quality control that we will talk in the third session. We are also the leader of task 3.2 that belongs to work package 3. Related with the joint research experiment and study, we must to perform a network of joint experiment that to interchange methodologies and results that will be interesting. And we are the leader of work package 4 that we will develop in the next presentation. I'm not going on. Okay, facilities and tools. Our group inside the campus, we have a big experimental farm that for our group, we have 7 hectares of experimental facilities that include weighing lysimeter, drainage lysimeter, agrometeorological station, different surface, sprinkler and drip irrigation system, and a desalination plant, and some laboratories. Okay, and here we can see some plots of the experimental facilities. Those are dedicated to characterize irrigation material like a sprinkler, size, pressure, and to characterize the water distribution. Here, this is another plot that dedicated also to characterize irrigation material. We have a prototype of a sprinkler irrigation machine that was designed by the group, and in which we have performed a lot of experiments related with sprinkler type, nozzle size, nozzle heights, and also currently we are working with the energy of the drops that go into the soil to characterize the differences between different nozzle types and sizes, and the effect of the probe to alleviate this kinetic energy. Some other plots here we saw that we have facilities to perform agronomical experiments with experimental designs. Here we can see that we have 12 individual plots in which we have analyzed different agronomical practice, pressure, fertilization, and so on. Here we have corn and alfalfa. The Ebro River Basin is a very agricultural basin, and the principal crops are field crops, cereals, winter cereals, and corn and alfalfa. Okay. Another part of the farm is the lysimeter. Here we can see the upper part of the weighing lysimeter and the above part of the scheme of the weighing lysimeter. We have 2 parallel weighing lysimeter, and here we see the pictures of the drainage lysimeters, the upper part and the above part. Here we have 24 drainage lysimeter in which we have performed a lot of experiments dealing with fertilization, organic and inorganic. And here we see where we collect the drainage of the different 24 lysimeters. Apart from the experimental farm, outside we have another facilities. For example, here we can see a water quality control to control the off-site agricultural pollution of some agricultural and irrigated catchment, in which we measure the discharge, and also we take samples to analyze different agrochemicals. Okay, apart from the facilities, we also work developing software. We have developed software related with the management of irrigation district that has had a lot of success in the sector. And others integral is a software to simulate water productivity in irrigated areas, or Ibeco. This is a software to schedule regulated deficit irrigation. And we also work with another software developed by other groups like the SAT or SWAT or APEX, etc. Okay, the team that are working in this project from CSIC is part of a biggest group. The group is called Irrigation, Agronomy and Environment, RAMA group, and is integrated by researchers from different institutions of the campus. And the objective of our group is to generate a scientific and technological information in the soil, water, crop, and atmosphere interface, leading to competitive and efficient and sustainable agricultural system with emphasis on irrigation, agronomy, and the environment. We have a multidisciplinary group with multi-objective scientific and technological production. We have a very strong stakeholder involvement and applied research problem-solving approach. Focusing on the people, the group that is going to work in this project is myself, Neri. I'm a specialist in irrigation system design and management at different levels, plot, farm, or irrigation district, basin, and from different irrigation systems, surface and pressurizing systems. Daniel, that is in the meeting also, is around. He specializes in the evaluation of non-point source pollution in irrigation schemes. He has focused on hydrological balances, hydrosalinity, nitrate pollution, and fertilization management. Farida, that is also in the meeting today, specialized in the development of hybrid models, combining irrigation system and crop models, with current research interest on non-point source agricultural pollution. And Borja, that is, it couldn't be with us because he's in a paternalized leave, specialized on big data engineering and apply it to irrigation systems. And that's all. Thank you.